Math Challenge 84. All right, guys, this is a Singapore Math 5th grade geometry problem. So there are 13 identical rectangles that make up the larger rectangle, and the total area of the entire big rectangle is 520 square centimeters. So the question is, what is the total perimeter? Now I'm going to drop a hint in the next 3 seconds. So if you want to think about it, go ahead and pause the video. 3, 2, 1. Go! Alrighty, guys, so if you look at one individual rectangle right here, we can say that this side is equal to the width. I'm going to label that as W, and this side is going to be the length right here. Now the hint told us to pay attention to the top width and then the bottom width of the larger rectangle. So now if you notice on the top width here, this is equal to 8 of the width of the smaller rectangle. So it takes 8 of these smaller rectangles to equal, the width here. So we can equate the top width right here as 8W. And then on the bottom, you notice that this is equal to the length of this rectangle, and it takes 5 lengths to equal the bottom here. So 8W is going to be equal to 5L. And then if we can rearrange this equation here, I'm going to drop the L over to this side. So I'm going to divide that out. So width divided by the length is equal to 5 over 8. So which means that the width is equal to 5 centimeters, and then the length is equal to 8 centimeters. So now if we look at the larger rectangle right here, so if 5 is for one of the rectangles here, there's 8 of them, so the entire width is going to be 40. And then for the length of this rectangle, we have the 8 here and then the 5. So that total here is going to equal 13. So if you add up this side and then this side, so 40 plus 13, that right here, is going to equal 53. And then I'm just going to double that to get the entire perimeter of the rectangle. So 53 times 2 is going to equal 106 square centimeters.